welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones On.ua with me, Karishma Rana, and today we are going to talk about a variant in which you can say has a keyword in it, or you can say has something amazing. मतलब हम ना जिस ब्रांड की बात करें उसके बारे में तुम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं ही कि like we are talking about our BlackBerry series out here, and BlackBerry में भी आज हम जिसकी बात कर रहे हैं वो है ब्लैकबेरी का यहाँ पर एक बहुत ही खास वेरिएंट. यस, अ वेरी अमेजिंग वेरिएंट आउट है फॉर यू गाइस. ब्लैकबेरी की यहाँ पर आप सभी के लिए है. यस, की वन इज आउट फॉर यू गाइस. कह सकते हैं ब्लैकबेरी का ये जो की वन है हैज बीन इन द मार्केट फॉर अ वेरी रिसेंट टाइम, लाइक 2017 मॉडल है, but still was very different in the looks and everything out here. Talking about the looks of this phone, you can see that this phone is not a normal BlackBerry phone out there. Usually BlackBerry के जो phones होते थे भले ही keypad थे, they had a keypad, everything out there, but still the screen size or the display used to be very small. Yes, very small display it has to be, and but now if you see that this screen size out here, this whole screen size has increased a lot. Like it has become a combination of touch and QID type, like both have been combined over here. We can say that yes, both have been combined over here, and reason why they have combined is adapting both the qualities or the best products out here. That's the main reason why they have combined it. Whereas if we talk about this phone and other specifications, then we can say that this phone has got something very unique in it. कि कह सकते हैं टच का इसने स्क्रीन साइज लिया है, भले ये टच नहीं हो, कीपैड है, it is keypad only, but the screen has increased so that it can give you a great number or a large scale display. So that's the wonderful thing out here. Talking about this phone again, let me come to the specifications of this phone very quickly. Talking about the specifications, it's a very lightweighted phone. That's 180-gram phone out here for you guys. As well as you will see a glass front, and you can see a plastic back. The back has been made of plastic, whereas the frame, the side frame out here is aluminium framework. If we talk about the glass front only, the protection is given by Gorilla Glass 4. If you talk about the SIM slotation and everything, then it is actually a two-type phone. It can be a single SIM or a hybridal SIM. मतलब दोनों हो सकते हैं. अगर हाइब्रिडल है तो ऑब्वियसली एक्सपैंडेबिलिटी भी है इसमें. Talking about this expandability only, then you get to see expandability storage capacity along with internal storage capacity of 32 GB. Yes, 32 GB is the storage capacity, whereas you can see the RAM of 3 GB along with it. Talking about the RAM quality, you get to see 64 GB storage capacity along with 4 GB RAM only. मतलब दोनों में ही अलग अलग वेरिएंट्स देखने को मिलते हैं. एक 32 GB, एक 64 GB है. 32 GB में आपको 3 GB रैम देखने को मिल रही है, तो वहीं पर आपको 64 में 4 GB रैम देखने को मिल रही है. So that's an amazing feature out here. Whereas if we talk about this phone's display out here, मतलब अगर हम इसके डिस्प्ले की बात करें कि ऐसा स्क्रीन टाइप है, IPS कैपेसिटिव टच स्क्रीनिंग है with a 4.5 size. Yes, the screen size or the total body size is 4.5. तो कह सकते हैं काफी ज्यादा बेटर वेरिएशन करने की कोशिश की गई है. Whereas talking about this phone, it works on Android 7. Yes, Android 7 is inbuilt in it, which can be upgraded up to Android 8. Whereas the Android 8 is upgraded, and you will see the Snapdragon 625 in it. Yes, you will see 625 in it. So that's something very normal thing out here. But if we talk about the main thing of this phone, that is the camera out here, or we can say the look or anything, the camera specifically, if we talk about the camera, then the look does not defines the BlackBerry cannot have something unique. Phones definitely it can have very small keypad is there and a large scale of display is there. Whereas the camera of this phone, if we talk about the camera, it has 12 megapixel rear camera. Yes, 12 megapixel rear camera. Whereas the selfie camera itself is 8 megapixel. So that's very good feature out here. Talking about this phone again, let me tell you that it has a 3.5 mm jack, Yes, the jack is inbuilt in it, as well as you will find the sensors in it. All kind of sensors are there. Fingerprint is there. You will see accelerometer is there, and gyro, proximity. Every sensor is already inbuilt in it. But when we talk about the battery life, you will see that it has a 3500 mAh battery life. Yes, 3500 mAh battery life can sustain a good quality, but will not sustain for a very long time. Will not say like for a very long time, but yes, it's good quality out here. But when we talk about this phone, there are major drawbacks to this phone. We can say a major shortcomings, you can say, or major drawbacks is the main disadvantages of this phone. Talking about the disadvantages of BlackBerry Key One, I would say कि BlackBerry Key One के जो major disadvantages हैं is related to the main CPU system out there. हम कह सकते हैं कि इसमें जो CPU यूज किया गया है, की वन यूजेस द CPU is not of a top line out there. मतलब इतना कुछ खास नहीं है. It could have been a better version out there. In 2017 we had seen really great versions of CPU. Whereas if we talk about the ratio of this phone, like body is to ratio, या फिर हम expect के ratio की बात करें, 3:2 का ratio है, which clearly certifies कि no, it will not be able to operate few of the apps in it. मतलब कुछ apps हैं जो अच्छे से काम नहीं करेगी. There are few apps in it. Whereas the only main disadvantage, or we can say main advantage also or disadvantage, it is up to the person itself, that it is available in a single color only. Yes, the BlackBerry is available in this color itself. मतलब इसके अलावा कोई color available नहीं है. So this is the only color available out in BlackBerry Key One. So these are the major disadvantages of this phone, this featured phone. But since this phone is a very limited, we can say product out there, because nowadays we are not into more keypad phones. So this is very limited product out here, and we have got a site which offers this phone at a great pricing. For that, all you have to do is click on the link in the description, and then you will get to search website. Okay, so the website is this. When we talk about this website, you will get to see that this website has an amazing feature out here for your mobile phones and everything. इस वेबसाइट का नाम क्या है? What's the name of this website? The website name is phoneson.ae. Yes, you will get to see this website on Google itself, phoneson.ae. आप Google पे भी टाइप कर सकते हैं. Or you can also go and check out की डिस्क्रिप्शन में जब आप जाते हैं तो ये वाली वेबसाइट ओपन होती है, एंड गूगल पे भी जब चेक करते हैं यही देखने को मिलता है. तो इस वेबसाइट पर व्हाट यू गेट टू सी ऑन दिस वेबसाइट, you get to see a category of all mobile phones out है, जहाँ पर आपको n number of brands देखने को मिलते हैं. Not just brands, the renowned brands out है. So you get to see n number of brands out here, as well as you get to see few things out there which is related to the delivery process, that is COG and free home delivery out here for you guys. They are offering 100% original products. And you also get to see one more thing, that is the search icon. When you go for the search icon, you have to just type your favorite model, and you will get to see how is the condition of that phone, or how is that phone out there, what is the pricing, what are the conditions available on that, everything out there. So for that, all you have to do is check out this website. Yes, you have to just check out this website, which name is phonezone.ae, and then you can have your favorite models in your pocketable rates. This offers free home delivery, as well as this is offering an amazing deal out there, which is 48 hours shipping or the delivery time. Yes, this is an amazing one out here. तो आप वेबसाइट पे जा सकते हैं, चेकआउट कर सकते हैं बेस्ट प्राइसिंग के लिए. टिल देन टेक केयर, आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.